Hi, welcome to my video on graphing by Vertex Part 1. That is graphing the absolute value function. Let's do some examples. Find the vertex of each of these equations are absolute values. So the vertex is, V for vertex, opposite of negative 2 is 2, 4. Again, just to illustrate, if you put a 2 in the place of x, you get 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0, so when x is 2, y is 4. Vertex, opposite of plus 1 is minus 1, and negative 6. Vertex, there's no number inside the absolute value, so the x coordinate is 0. So when x is 0, the y becomes 3. Vertex, 0, 3. Vertex, the opposite of negative 4 is 4. And again, when you put 4 in this equation, for x, you get a 0. 7 times 0 is 0. And the y coordinate is 0. Vertex is opposite is negative 4, 1. Vertex, opposite is 3, negative 2. Repeat, you get the opposite of the sign that's inside the absolute value, which is 3. So when x is 3, this expression becomes 0, so y is negative 2, vertex. And we have a practice. Practice means pause the video and work these 8 out to see if you can get the vertex before I do. And when you get them done, play to see if you get them right. Vertex, x is 0, y is negative 4. Vertex, x is negative 6, no number on the end, x is 0. Vertex, x is 5, and y is 3. Vertex, x is negative 8, y is negative 2. Vertex, x is 6, y is negative 1. Vertex, x is 0, y is 7. And vertex, x is negative 3, y is negative 4. And the vertex for number 8, x is 10, y is 8. And just to repeat, when you put a 10 in this expression here, you get a 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. So y is 8. So it's the opposite of what's on the inside, keeping the k term on the outside. Okay, domain. This is the equation of absolute value, and the domain of the equation, notice this is a linear, so the domain of this linear absolute value is x belongs to the real. See, all the x values are in your graph. And the domain is the x values, and the range is the y values. So the range is the y values that's in your graph. And to find the range, we need to find the vertex. So the vertex of this absolute value, linear, is negative 2, 4. And notice its a is positive, so it's going to go up, opens up. So therefore the range is y is greater than or equal to the y value of the vertex. The vertex of this one is x is 3, y is 0. Because a is negative, it opens downward. That means the y value is less than or equal to the y value of the vertex, 0. And C, the vertex of this absolute value equation, is negative 1, negative 3. A is positive, so the absolute value graph opens up, so the range is y is greater than or equal to the y value of the vertex, which is negative 3. D, the vertex is x is 0, y is 2, and a is negative, so it opens down because of the negative, and that means the range is less than or equal to the y value of the vertex. And we have 6 more to do, so pause the video and see if you get the correct answer for the range of each of these. Here we go. And the vertex is x is 1, y is -2, a is positive, so it opens up. So y is greater than or equal to the y value of the vertex, which is -2. The vertex is x is -2, y is 3. It's a negative, so it opens down, opening down, so y is less than or equal to the y value of the vertex 3. Number 3, the vertex is x is 0, y is -1. A is 7, so it opens up because it's positive, so y is greater than or equal to -1, the y value of the vertex. Number 4, the vertex is x is 3, y is -4. Because we have a negative a, the absolute value opens down, and that means that the range is y is less than or equal to -4. Number 5, the vertex is the opposite of +6, which is -6. The y is -7. Because we have a -3, the absolute value opens down, so the range is going down, so the y values are less than or equal to the -7, the y value of the vertex. And number 6, the vertex is the opposite of -4 is 4, and the y value is 3, and a is positive, so the absolute value opens up, and so the range is y is greater than or equal to 3, the y value of your vertex. And so there's a review on applying the vertex to find the domain and range. We need that when we go to graph our absolute value by using the vertex. And if you like my video, click the like button, subscribe button, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. And that's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing it. Bye-bye.